Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set up announced caller ID on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, just open the Google Play Store and in the search bar, just search this and install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on Open. From here, just tap on Get Started. Now just select Truecaller. Then tap on Set as Default. Tap on Continue. Now just give this app these permissions. And from this list, just select Truecaller and tap on Set as Default. And from here, just tap on Country or Region and select your country or region. Then in this section, just enter your phone number. Then tap on Verify My Number. Now, if the phone number you have entered is correct, just tap on Yes. And if it is not, just tap on Edit and edit your phone number. From here, tap on Continue with Google and select your Gmail account. Now in this section, just enter your first name and last name. After you enter your first name and last name, then tap on Continue. On this page, just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the screen, then tap on Settings. From here, tap on Calls. And on this page, you will find the option of Announce Phone Calls. Just enable this option to enable Announce Caller ID on your smartphone. And if you tap on Try It, you'll see how this feature works. Just like that. And this is how you can set up Announce Caller ID on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.